Good afternoon, all my friends out there, and thank you for watching this new channel. All right, unscripted, unprofessional, and definitely unedited. It's been a long day at work, let me tell you that. So let's fast forward because nobody likes a bunch of rambling. Anyways, we talk about saving money on groceries, and we talk about saving money on lunches. We've all got those friends who eat out every day of the week. I used to be one of those. Not anymore. Ain't happening. All right, so let's just get right to it. Some of y'all call it dinner. We call it supper. I call it dinner, depending on which relatives I'm around, okay? So tonight's supper, which I did not cook. Let's get that out of the way. My wife cooked all this, and guess what? She will not get in front of the camera. Maybe she's the smart one in this bunch here. Anyway, hey, tonight's supper, and for you appropriate folks, it's called dinner. And this is going to turn into taking our lunches to work. That's where we're going with this, and saving money, all right? We're having homemade meatloaf. What does all this stuff cost, all right? And I broke this down the best I can. I think I'm pretty close, okay? So here's what's on the menu for supper tonight. We have big, I gotta get my glasses on. I'm about to turn 60 years old here. Big slabs of meatloaf. Let's see, there's probably 1, 2, they've ate 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 big old hefty slabs of meatloaf, and this is homemade, okay? Here's the cost breakdown on that. 2 pounds of lean ground beef from Sam's comes to $8.36, all right? Not too bad. That's the lean ground beef, okay? Now let's throw in a couple other things here. The cost to do all this here, and how long will this last? All right, very important that you listen to this here. Get your pen. Hey! We got pups, we got dogs in the house. They're interrupting me. Poodles. All right, let's get back right straight to it. I've got notes because I can't remember a darn thing here. All right, $2 worth of potatoes. I kind of did some figuring. These came from Walmart. I think we used about $2 worth. All right, $1.70. Oh, here's what goes with our supper tonight. Our dinner for some of you appropriate folks. $1.78 for a can of great value, not the name brand, okay, of asparagus. And it actually tastes pretty good. All right. 67 cents for some powdered gravy here, and my wife added some mushrooms to it. I sampled it. Tastes pretty good, okay? All right, the meatloaf seasoning, I think I've written this down here at $2, all right? The breadcrumbs, hey, here again, not name brand, great value. I'm gonna get a bunch of flack over that for buying off brand, but hey, it is what it is, okay? Groceries are too high. When she made her meatloaf tonight, I wish she'd come in here, but she won't. 2 eggs. I figured 25 cents a piece. I think it came out 23 to 27, give or take. So 2 eggs, all right? The total cost of this meal, for what you see right here, and this is all put out here for prettiness, to make the video look good. And I don't even eat tomatoes. I hate tomatoes. I'll be quite honest with you, okay? Anyway, $16.54 to make this here. That don't include any kind of, let's look at the bread box here. Got a little bread in there, you know. I like to have a little bread with my meal. Okay, $16.54. Now look here. My wife and my grandson, they've already eaten. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these big old fat slabs of meatloaf here, which means we have at least, what, another night or two? I'm just saying. We don't like to eat back to back on stuff, you get burned out. But guess what? I can take a lunch tomorrow. Look at here, in this. And when they're out there, my buddies are going to lunch for $12 or $13 to $15 to $18. I'm going to eat for, believe it or not, around $2. Okay? That ain't bad for a guy or a family that wants to cut some money. Okay? What else can I tell you about it? Oh, I almost forgot. Slow cooker mashed potatoes. And my wife made these. Here's the cost breakdown on that. Let me look it up here. Where are we at here? I figured $2. Now, she had to peel them. And, of course, put them in there and add a little salt and pepper. I'm not sure how she does it. Hey, this is not a cooking channel, all right? However she does it, puts it in a slow cooker. You can take the time and look up slow cooker recipes. Hey, this ain't a cooking channel. So here again, $16.54. Let's just call it $17. Several meals plus lunches. Hey, for all of those who are eating out, spending $12 to $15 a day, you want to save some money, kind of do this here. You do not have to buy the name brand stuff to get good stuff here. It's working for us. I've got more ideas coming down the pipe, but hey, it is what it is. What else am I supposed to tell you about? Here again, this is your best friend. I got one more thing in the cabinet. I keep saying this. I told you guys this a day or two ago. What did I say? That's a freezer bag. Here they are. Zipper bags for sandwiches and things. This can be your best friend. Save some money, pocket the difference, put the difference in the bank or your 401k. Hope that's helped you out. Thank you for viewing. If you like kind of what we got going on here, it's not professional. For some reason, people like this stuff. Smack that like button and subscribe. And again, I've got some money-saving ideas that have worked for me, may not work for you, but we cut our light bill by a significant amount. I'm working on cutting the auto insurance and especially the homeowner's insurance. It's all coming. Stay tuned, and I hope I can save you $1. Hey, frugal me.